Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to scan documents on Samsung phone. So if at the end of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first one to do is go ahead and open the camera app on your Samsung phone. Once you open the camera app, click on the camera settings. So this depends on the type of phone you use. Once you click on the camera settings, then make sure you enable or turn on scan documents and test. If this is disabled, go ahead and turn this on. Now go back to the camera page. On the camera page, go ahead and position your document that you want to scan. So let's say this document you want to scan. Go ahead and position it. Now, the moment you position a document, then you see this T-circled yellow icon, which stands for scan document. Go ahead and click on it. Then once you click on it, it shows a document like this. Now you'll be prompted to scan. So click on scan. This is going to scan the document for you. You can adjust the document or go with the default option if the scan is perfect. Then go ahead and click on save. You can click on retake to retake the scan or rotate the scanned document like that. Then to preview the document, you can use your two fingers to enlarge it or reduce the size. Now, once you are done, go ahead and click on save. And hang on, then you should see document saved. Then you should see the document on your gallery. You see that? So that's exactly how to scan document on Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.